Hi everybody, it's Therese. I finally created something. I just had a I just had to step back and think about what I wanted to do, and I I'm thinking about making something for my niece to hang in memory of her. I haven't really figured that out yet, but I don't know if I want to do something like a grungy steampunk type thing like Tina and Mars have been doing. I think that is so cool. But she was really not like that, so I have to really think about it. So I wanted to create something. So I remember I have this little book, and it's all the challenges that I want to do this year, or I've written down to plan for it. I have a couple ICs that I want to do, and I have a pocket letter, donut pocket letter that I have to complete. I have a Mother's Day card to do. I have a flip book, and I have an IC card for Dennies. So Dennies is, let me see, her channel is, oh gosh, she changed her channel name. I think it's with two hands or something with hands. I know that. And she's having a challenge. And it's a 3.5 by 5 card. So this is what I created for her. It has everything that I love. I love the color pink. So the background is a paper pad that I got from AC Moore. And it's this pad right here. And I used this paper. Let's see if I can find it real quick. It's this paper. So it has pink in it, and the print on it has coffee cups and cupcakes, a coffee grinder. I think this is like a creamer that they would pour into the coffee. This is probably a coffee bag. I don't know if you can see that. My lighting sucks in this room. Sorry. So that's the background. Then I stamped, and here's some coffee stain rings on the edge here and over here. Then I use this puzzle guard on top to protect it. Then I used something that I just bought, and oh my god, my table is a total disaster. I bought this metallic watercolor from AC Moore. It was only for $5, and I said, okay, let me try it out. So I don't know if you could see it down here. Oh my god, okay. Sorry, something down here. It has like a green metallic. It kind of went with the paper. I even did some brushing. I covered it all up, so you really can't see it. I didn't even do it in the back, but I'm going to put my information on the back that she requested. I didn't do that yet. So what else did I do? Okay, so there's some metallic, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but there's some metallic, oh, I don't like that. Okay, some metallic on there. God, I'm going to clean that off. Okay, see, it's been a while since I've crafted or filmed anything I've done, so give me, a second. So this is everything that I love, okay? I love laces, so I layered like 3 different types of laces from my scraps. This card I've used before on another IC card. I thought, I love this card. I wish I scanned it and made copies of it, because this is my last card left. It says to-do list, be nice, love, but first coffee. I love Paris, so there's the Eiffel Tower in the background. Here's another coffee sticker that I got from AC Moore. It was on sale. Here's a ticket. I love the vintage tickets. I inked the edges with black vintage photo and walnut stain. I just bought these pearls, these flat back pearls, and I just have to say thank you, Sierra. I don't know if you watch my videos, but she had told me about, or she showed on one of her live streams that she was using these flat back pearls, and wow, I have a ton of them, and they're so pretty. So this icy card has everything that I love, Dennies. So I'm thinking about putting a tab here. I'm not sure what I should use, but I'm gonna put a tab somewhere, probably up here. But yeah, so this is my icy card for Dennies. So thanks everybody for watching. Go check her out. I'll have her link down below to her challenge. I know I'm kind of late in the game. With everything that's been happening, I just kind of took a hiatus for a little bit. I mean, I've been filming, you know, things that I've received and swaps and stuff like that, but I just haven't been creating for almost a month. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.